What happens to your body when you walk every day? Imagine if the simplest thing you already know how to do could transform your entire body. Stick around, because what happens when you walk every day will shock you. Walking, it's something we take for granted. But what if I told you this basic movement is actually one of the most powerful tools for better health, sharper focus, and even a longer life? Let's take a journey literally into your body to see what really happens when you walk every day. As your feet hit the ground, your heart begins to beat a little faster. With every step, blood circulation improves, pumping oxygen throughout your body. Over time, this daily boost strengthens your heart, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease. In fact, just 30 minutes of walking a day can cut your risk of heart attack significantly. Your muscles love walking. It strengthens your legs, glutes, and even your core. Your joints also benefit, as movement helps lubricate them, easing stiffness and reducing the risk of arthritis. Imagine it like oiling the hinges of a rusty door. The more you move, the smoother they function. But here's where it gets fascinating. Your brain, walking releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that fight stress, anxiety, and even depression. Regular walking also improves memory and creativity. Ever noticed how your best ideas come while strolling? That's no coincidence. Walking literally clears mental fog. And yes, walking helps burn calories. But beyond weight loss, it boosts your metabolism, helps regulate blood sugar, and even reduces cravings. Scientists say daily walking lowers your risk of type 2 diabetes and helps maintain a healthy weight without extreme diets or workouts. Here's the ultimate reward. Walking every day can add years to your life. Studies show regular walkers live longer, healthier lives, because their bodies age slower, their minds stay sharper, and their immune systems stay stronger. Walking, quite literally, is medicine in motion. So the next time you lace up your shoes, remember you're not just walking. You're strengthening your heart, fueling your brain, protecting your joints, and adding years to your life. Which of these benefits motivates you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another life-changing tip. See you in the next one.